of pollution by Yagna. The problem. The problem I'm going to solve is the unsustainable source of power electricity output which is being used for various industries located in Milan. This is a problem because, in majority, energy, electricity, is being produced from natural gas, which emits CO2 into the atmosphere, and electricity produced in Italy takes place using non-renewable sources, such as natural gas, coal, and oil. This problem connects to the following factor: environmental. What do they use? This is a pie chart showing the gases that are being used to produce electricity, and you can tell that the majority is natural gas, which is one of the main reasons that there is air pollution. What happens if we don't fix this? According to the website ENEA, the risk of death in Rome and Milan will increase by 8% and 6% by 2050 as a result of a combination of increased temperatures brought on by climate change and an increase in air pollution. This proves that not in Milan, but overall Italy, the carbon emissions are very high. And as I stated before from the previous article, ENEA, which says that the mortality will increase because of the climate, temperature rising, the solar energy, solar panel, will help decrease the amount of carbon dioxide being emitted from the natural gases that are used to make the electricity. What's the solution? A solution to this problem that is causing air pollution and damaging the environment is solar energy, which is beneficial for the environment and will help reduce the amount of carbon dioxide that would go into the atmosphere otherwise. How will this help the city be more sustainable? This will help make the city be more sustainable because it will reduce the amount of pollution, thus help the environment get better because it would decrease the speed of climate, temperature rising, as well as it would improve air quality and the pollution that is currently damaging wildlife would decrease. How does it work? ProfileSolar.com states that in Milan, Italy, situated at an altitude of 45.4722 and longitude of 9.1922, solar panel generation is viable option due to its location within the northern temperature zone. The average daily energy production per kilowatt of installed solar capacity varies across seasons: 6.75 kilowatts in summer, 3.12 kilowatts in autumn, 1.85 kilowatts in winter, and 5.40 kilowatts in spring. This all proves that the solar energy will be a very sustainable and good source of energy production, as well as to optimize energy production from solar installations in Milan throughout the year. It's recommended to tilt panels at an angle of 39 degrees facing south for fixed panel system. This orientation maximizes exposure to sunlight while minimizing potential shading issues caused by surrounding structures or vegetation, says ProfileSolar.com. Here is an image showing the average kilowatts of electricity per day depending on each season in Milan. What are the benefits? The benefits of installing the solar panels are that there will be a reduction in carbon dioxide emissions and air pollution, which Milan is struggling with trying to reduce. This will help improve the environment in Milan. What are the limitations? Solar panels are expensive, and because of the fact that they have to be built in Milan, it's necessary to have big solar panels, which cost between $15,000 and $20,000 on average, as well as, depending on the weather, they will be able to produce different amounts of electricity. Final judgment. In conclusion, the option of installing more solar panels in Milan, Italy is a good solution to the environmental problem of air pollution, as it is more energy efficient and sustainable. It definitely can reduce the amount of factories that use natural gas as a way of making electricity, thus help reduce a significant amount of carbon emissions that these factories make. Citations. Thank you for listening.